Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to go about clearing your temporary internet files on your Windows computer. So temporary internet files or cache folder is used by Windows Internet Explorer and by MSN Explorer to store web page content on the computer hard disk for quick viewing. So this cache lets Internet Explorer or MSN Explorer download only the content that has changed since you last viewed in a web page instead of downloading all the content every time that the page is displayed. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is open up on a search menu and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type this cleanup and then click open and pop up this cleanup drive selections. So select the drive you want to clean up and then click this arrow and select either C drive or D drive, and we need to select C drives and then click OK and open up here this cleanup for this computer. So this cleanup, you can use this cleanup to free up storage space and files to delete. On how to delete your temporary internet files, so you can see now this temporary internet files and then check this box. So you can see now that we have 28.0 MB that space storage consumed of this space, and then total amount of this space you gain. So you can see this 28.0 MB, and temporary internet files folder contains a web page stored on your hard disk for quick viewing. Your personalized settings or web page will be left intact. So all you have to do is to check this box, temporary internet files, and then click this OK. And are you sure you want to permanently delete these files, and then click delete files? And we will wait to complete for deleting this cleanup. Alright, so that's it guys on how to delete your temporary internet files in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.